Alright, so now we are going to talk about how the iPhones compare and why you should buy iPhones and what their sizes are and what the first iPhone was and the last one Steve Jobs was alive in and the last one he actually designed. And so he designed some in the future, like the last one he designed was the iPhone 4, so I'm gonna get to those quick. Oh no, sorry, the last one he was alive when came out was the 4. But I'll write this stuff on the whiteboard after I erase the math I just did, so. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Alright, so first for the size. This is the iPhone 2G. I'm just going to draw a quick model. So, 2G. This one has a 3.5-inch display. And now I'm going to get a little simpler with the phone. Just draw little squares and little things and home buttons and the screen. So, for the iPhone 3G, it's the same 3.5-inch display. But don't worry, not all of them are going to be 3.5-inch displays, just most of them. So 3.5-inch display. And the 3GS, a slightly faster phone. The 3G is, I watched a video on a drop test and the 3G shatters. And the 3GS, golden, after a 10-foot face down. So, are you kidding me? That is not an iPhone. That is not an iPhone. Okay, there you go. It's more like an iPad. Alright, so, go. Slightly faster 3GS, 3.5-inch display. Now, we come to the phones that are square. All of these phones, I'm going to draw a circle around them because they're round. So, let's get to the 4. So, the 4. Slightly faster again. Oh, and on the 3G, you can't add wallpapers, it's just pitch black. But on the 3GS, you can add wallpapers and doggy faces and that kind of stuff. So, the 4. 3.5-inch display. As you're probably guessing. 3.5-inch display. And then the 4S. They make the S model so that they're more durable, so I can write durable next to the S. Durable. Whatever. Durable, I don't know. Just say it's durable. So, the S models are durable. The 4, once again, completely shattered, and once again, the 4S was golden, and the assembly popped out, but that was all. So, and don't worry, you're not going to get bored of this. Don't worry. I know it's a 3.5-inch display. I know. But with the iPhone 5, you're going to see something different. Alright. So I'm just going to draw a square around these since those are square. I don't have room for the iPhone 5, so I'm just going to put the iPhone 5 right here. So, what am I drawing? Yes, a bigger iPhone. So, no more 3.5-inch display. No more of that. So, 4.0-inch display. And I know it's a pretty wonky iPhone 5, but it doesn't really look like that. But I guess it's just for video purposes and showing you what to do and showing you the history of the phones. Oh, I almost forgot to show you something, the years. This one came out in 2007. This one came out in 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012. So here, the 5C. 4.0 inch display. Ooh, that worries me. We're not going to have room for the other phones. I'll try to draw them as small as I can. Alright, so. iPhone 5C. 4.0 inch display. Released in 2013. Then, later came the faster iPhone 5S. Oh, and speaking of the iPhone 5C, it's a cheaper version of the iPhone 5, but I thought the C meant the iPhone 5 cheap, but it actually means the iPhone 5 color because it comes in pink, yellow, green, blue, and, wait, doesn't it only come in those? No, white. Yes, white. So, 5S. Released in, 4.0 inch display. And it was released in 2013. Ooh, yeah, this worried me. We don't have room for the other phones. Let me just write them really tiny. So here's the iPhone 6. I'll just write little boxes. The iPhone 6 is humongous. It's a 4.7 inch display. I know, right? Humongous. And it was released in 2014. Last year. So, 6 Plus. Released in 2014. And it had a 5.5 inch display. 5.5 versus 3.5. Yeah, so 3.5 and 5.5. 2 inches. Come on. 2 inches. That's a lot. Like, that's this big. So the iPhone 2G is probably like this big, and the iPhone 6 Plus is probably crazy, right? So, later came the 6S, once again. Slightly faster phone, released in 2015, this year. So, it had a 4.7 inch display. And lastly, the iPhone 6S Plus. And it was released this year, 2015. And it had a 5.5 inch display. So, I'm wondering, is there anything else about the iPhones? Let's see. Well, the speed results, the iPhone 6. Last year, the iPhone 6 was the best phone, and this year, the iPhone 6S is the best phone. And I have a phone, and it's the iPhone 6, and it's an incredibly fast device. When I was doing an unboxing video, it said it may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID, but I was like, no, it's not going to take a few minutes with a brand new iPhone 6, and guess what? It didn't. So, I think I've told you all that I know about iPhones. Wait, nope, one more thing. I'm going to show you the durability. 2G. Hairline cracks right there. 3G. Broken, busted, and iPhone parts everywhere and glass popping out. 3GS, golden. 4, completely shattered. No screens popping out, but 4S, assembly popping out. 5, fracture. 5C, glue. 5S, bad dent right here, screen popping out. 6, slight bend. 6 Plus, I don't think nothing happened to 6 Plus, just screen popping out. 6S, nothing. 6S Plus, separation between the antenna line and the Wi-Fi connector. So, I've told you all that I know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later. Bye bye.